You see, my friends, this is the problem with democracy. You can't trust humanity all that much, unfortunately, but I am a man of my word. And you know what? I'm gonna give this one my best shot. So, as per your request, my friends, how to make the ideal Nutella sandwich. Off to the kitchen. Hey guys, welcome back as always. My name is Laser and this is my kitchen. And don't worry about it, we don't normally do these kinds of things, but today, because there's no point for humanity, to be honest, we're gonna be doing a Nutella guide for a sandwich, kind of. But basically, it's how I like my Nutella sandwich. Now, don't get me wrong, my friends. I am fully aware that this plus this is basically all you need. And you know what? There's nothing wrong with that. If all you need is your spoon and your Nutella jar, then just go right for it. I won't judge. Trust me, I won't judge. Now, with just the littlest amount of effort, you're going to be able to make yourself a scrumptious sandwich, my friends. But, of course, I do mean very little effort, because if it takes too much time, you're just going to go for the jar and the spoon. I know that for a fact. So, what are you going to need? Well, you can't exactly make a sandwich without bread, right? Since the dawn of time, man has asked, should I toast my bread or should I not toast my bread? My friends, it's entirely up to you if you want to toast it or not. For example, my sweet wife Annie loves the toast. That sounds weird. But yeah. And I like it plain, simply because it's another step that I just simply do not want to make. Now, let's talk about the spread of the actual Nutella, right? It's spreadable and all whatnot, but the problem with this one is that if you keep it in low temperatures, for example, in your fridge, right? If you keep it in your fridge, it gets really, really hard. Then it gets a little bit difficult to actually spread properly on the bread. You have two options. One, you can do what normal people do and not keep your Nutella in the fridge, Annie. Or what you can also do is just open up your sink, warm water, and keep the whole jar like this locked down in warm water for about a couple of minutes, and then it's gonna be like so much easier to actually spread the Nutella. Now here's one thing that I don't like about Nutella, and I'm a big fan of it. No, this video is not sponsored. This fucking thing. Now this fucking thing is horrible, and the fastest, perhaps fastest, and most comfiest of way of opening this crap up is doing this. You guys know this method? Yeah? Basically, you just do this all around, but careful not to actually, you know, dip the thing in the thing, because it just becomes messy and nobody likes messy. Hey, honey, give me a napkin. I'm messy. I'm messy. Give me a napkin. Give me a napkin. Thank you. Alright, now, because this Nutella has been left on the counter, it's not really all that hard. Look at the consistency. Yes. Yes. Perfect consistency, right? So what we're going to be doing next is step number one of our sandwich. We're going to be taking our bread. Give me another plate. Plate? Hold on. I got one more. Gotta take another plate. We're going to take one slice of bread, non-toasted. Again, if you do toast it, however, it's going to be easier to spread, because if you do it while the toast is still hot. So bear that one in mind. So we're going to take a whole lot of Nutella. Now here's a question. How much Nutella for a simple toast? Well, that's pretty hard, my friends. It really depends on to the individual, but I like to put on it this much. Okay, take a good look at it, this much basically. And if it's not enough, I'll just put on some more. Who cares, right? Now, you will see that the actual spreading process, look at that, that is so easy, no problem whatsoever. Now, some people like more Nutella, other people's less, and I know it's not exactly the most healthiest of foods, but I don't care. So there you go. There we go. We got a decent spread. Don't worry about too much to make it pretty, okay? Nobody cares that much about making it pretty. You're not making a video for YouTube. Mine is ugly. Yes, I know. Damn. That is good. You shouldn't do that. That is very not rude. What if somebody else wants to use that spoon? So don't do that. That's a bad idea. We got our Nutella bread, right? Next, my friends, we're gonna take another plate. I know this seems very complicated, but of course you're not going to take all these steps. I'm trying to make it look somewhat decent. What is this doing? Anyway, no more Nutella now. That's enough Nutella. We're going to be taking ourselves a banana. Any banana you like. I don't know what kind of preferences you have when it comes to brands and all whatnot. You're going to be peeling this banana. And now we're going to be cutting it up. Honey, Z knife. Any knife will do. Oh, a Teflon knife. This is actually quite good. Now, when you want to slice up your banana, you want to do it really thinly, okay? something like that, okay? Super, super thin slices of banana. Don't make them too thick, because then when you reach the banana side, it's like, there's too much banana, not enough Nutella. What about the whipped cream? But we're gonna be getting to that. Of course, my friends, I am not a chef, in case you didn't notice by now. All right, that's gonna be enough for a sandwich. We're gonna get rid of this banana. Get rid of the knife. Okay. Step number 2, my friends. You're gonna be aligning yourself the banana right on top of the Nutella. Now here's the tricky part. In case you didn't put enough Nutella on the bread, it's not gonna properly stick and stay into place, all right? So keep that one in mind. You kind of wanna think your bites through. Does that make any sense? Basically, you're gonna wanna think about how many bites do you usually take out of a sandwich. Some people chomp it down in a single bite, and that's totally fine. But I usually go for a sandwich like this in 5 bites, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get it? For each bite, 1 slice of banana. That's very important, my friends. Very important, my friends, to be balanced and all whatnot, and to pop in your Orokin catalyst, of course. Now, with that out of the way, the following step, some say it's optional. I do not believe it to be optional. Whipped cream to this mixture actually adds a whole lot. So next, what we're going to be doing is adding some whipped cream. Of course, homemade whipped cream would be better. Yes, I know, nobody has the time, so leave me the hell alone. If you want to make whipped cream at home, sure, go for it. But for this example, we're just going to be using this Italian stuff. Now, when you buy these cans, did you guys notice it's kind of awkward to press on it and there is a all over the place? Yes, to avoid that, first do this. That's it. That's it. Now it's gonna be so easy, but keep in mind to also shake it. Come on, I know you guys know how to shake it. Don't you bullshit me. All right. Shut up, honey. Now, carefully, gently press down on the nozzle. Don't down, okay? Gently, easy. Watch this. This is the execution, my friends. You're gonna cover the whole sandwich in a thin slice of whipped cream, as thin as you possibly can. Okay, it's not gonna be perfect, that's fine. Nobody's looking at you, right? Shut up, I know you do that too. Now, there's still a couple of steps to the ideal Nutella sandwich. Well, my ideal Nutella sandwich. Next, what we're gonna be using are some berries, and my lovely wife gave me some berries. And there's one more thing. Honey, where's the mint? The mint. Put out the mint, put out the mint. Now, while Annie gets the mint, what we're gonna be doing next is putting some berries on top of the whipped cream. Now, this is optional from my point of view. Use whatever berries you want. Some people like raw berries, strawberries, whatever berries, gooseberries, berries. Now, these are my favorite berries, so we're gonna be using these. Keep in mind, I'm gonna align them the same way as the bites. Yeah? Okay, so 2. Do I still have 5? I hope I have 5. 3, you got the mint? You got the mint, awesome. 4. And a 5. There we go. Not exactly pretty, but it's gonna do the job just fine. And the last step, my friends, and I do believe this is probably the most important step to any Nutella sandwich with whipped cream, is to add fresh mint, my friends. Look at that. That is beautiful. Oh goddamn, that is nice. That is nice. Now what the mint does is offer an explosion of freshness each and every time you get to a leaf. What you want to do is get the tiniest of leaves possible and just sprinkle them all over. But you don't want to overdo it with the mint, okay? Because this can easily overpower the whole sandwich. So just go 2, maximum 3 leaves, okay? That's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be taking 1. Oh, I love that smell. That is just amazing. Yeah, you're going to be adding 1 here. Well, of course, you're going to be adding them wherever the hell you want. But the point is, the mint to such a sandwich adds a whole nother layer. And I do believe, my friends, that is pretty much it. This is my ideal Nutella sandwich. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Wait, I should eat like in those cooking shows, they like jump down on it, right? It's not the most prettiest of sandwiches, but... Oh god. Oh my god. Oh god, that's good. God damn. I'm gonna eat some more. You want some? You want to have some? Oh god damn, that's good.
You should have a big one.
Here we go, here we go. Come on, taste it, tell me if it's good. Taste it, is it any good? You can tell me if it's not good. Hold on, hold on.
great.
Awesome. See you guys. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Work. Can you guys make like beautiful butterfly? Wait, this is not butterfly. This is butterfly. See, can you guys make butterfly? Since the dawn of time, man has asked the following question. Should I toast